Wiseco. Silicone. The red locker. Styrofoam peanuts. Complete gasket set. High performance gasket. Spark plug. And this big bastard. The reason I've been waiting for this is because this is all the stuff to rebuild my quad. Top end kit, crank kit, new timing chain tensioner, brand new jug, Teflon coated piston, already fitted in there. Man, I don't have to trim nothing. Oh, that slides nice too. Air filter sleeve, got a new one of those. Studs. Complete put together head. And the head's got a spark plug in it too, right there. Doesn't have the timing chain gear, but I still have that. This came with a gasket kit as well. This has all my oil seals, starter seal, copper washers. That's got my exhaust gasket in it. Oh yeah. Isn't that pretty? Wiseco, baby. Teflon coated piston rod. Brand new bearings. Boom. Oil filter. So I got an extra NGK plug. I got a BTC plug. Crank. Gasket. I got everything. Ooh, it's like Christmas, dude. I just ordered these 2 days ago. I ordered the crank kit 2 days ago. I ordered the top end kit, the head, the jug, piston, all that. I ordered that yesterday. I don't know how it's here already, but it is. Got oil filter, red locker, jug, gaskets, crank bearing, head, air filter sleeve, timing chain tensioner, everything to rebuild this thing. Oh man, it's coming. See ya.